Business is the engine that keeps the world turning. It's the source of products, livelihoods, and opportunities. Hi, I'm Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. It takes a lot of coordination to ensure supplies are in place to meet demand and to move products from one point to another. Here's a solution.
Industrial railways are essential to our economy. Every day, thousands of rail cars are loaded and unloaded to move the goods we depend on. Industrial railway managers and operators are not your typical mainline railroaders. While they understand the business as rail shippers, they don't necessarily have the experience or technical expertise in rail operations.
We rely on competent individuals to safely operate the rail portion of our terminals within Keyera. We also see it as a great opportunity for each individual to grow their future successes within our company. As our rail industrial component has increased, we also see it as an opportunity to attract talented individuals that not only want to become great railroaders, but also want to have the opportunity to become future operators within our organization.
At Canadian Heartland Training Railway, we focus on the human factor. We focus on development of safety management systems, general rail operating instructions, training, and a host of risk mitigation strategies. Our experience tells us that these are important factors in running an incident-free and safe working environment.
Canadian Heartland Training Railway Services was founded in 2004 as an industry-led initiative to provide third-party technical training. The company has since grown to provide safety and operating practice products to industrial rail clients.
Okay, with the growth in industrial railways, which are customers of the Class 1 railroads, meaning that they are not railroaders, they're chemical mills, pulp mills, etc. They need railway expertise to help them comply with regulations and conform to industry railway practices. This is where CHTRS comes in.
Canadian Heartland has provided its technical training programs and operation support to over 200 companies and counting. Services range from training courses to an array of operations management support.
We're very proud of the fact that we have not made a cold call in the 10 years that we've been in business. We have a team of over 20 associates with over 600 aggregate years of railway experience. We can deliver training anywhere in Canada, and we're very excited about a new alliance we struck with Northern Plains Railroad that's going to allow us to do business across the U.S.
Canadian Heartland's high-quality training involves a lot of practical, hands-on activity. Over 3 to 5 day courses on industrial railway operations, trainees learn how to plan movements and safely perform the switching of rail cars. A shorter 1-day basic course offers training on safely working around railway equipment. Many companies couple these courses with Canadian Heartland's track inspection training.
In today's railway environment, the industrial railways are being asked to assume the responsibility to inspect and maintain their track. And in some cases, this is mandated by regulation. In other cases, it's the service carrier that insists on it so that they know it's safe track to operate on. Our training enables these industrial railways to comply with these requirements.
A safe operation is a productive operation. At Connexus, safety is our first priority. Canadian Heartland approach, backed up in their training to us, is that one needs to do the right thing the right way. Safety and productivity go hand in hand. They do not conflict against each other.
Canadian Heartland's course on railcar mover operations can take 3 to 4 days, depending on the complexity of the operation and the experience of participants. For larger industrial railways, the locomotive operator course is the longest, spanning from 4 to 5 days. Canadian Heartland also offers programs to requalify industrial railway employees that are generally required every 3 years.
Requalification occurs on a 3-year cycle, and it includes a test of knowledge and ability. We want to make sure knowledge levels are current. We also want to make sure the employee can perform. At Canadian Heartland, we believe that the foundation of safety is built on the employee doing the right things the right way.
Canadian Heartland is continually updating courses and expanding their program, with plans to incorporate more technology to support its services.
Our most important focus area is our customers and their ability to operate safe railway operations in their yards. Initially, training was our key tool to do that, and it still is important, but we've grown our tools to meet the evolving needs of the railway industry around other supports for management and operations in their yards. So it's all about the customers and their safe rail operations.